Hi guys, you are watching IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video I would like to give you a clarity that Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft Office Professional 2024 is not free. If you want to install it on your computer, you will require a license and you have to purchase the license from the official website of Microsoft. So if you are going to plan Microsoft Office on your laptop or PC, so this video is for you and you will get a clarity after watching this video. So watch this video till end. In this video I will let you know our best free alternative of Microsoft 365. So but before that, I would like to install genuine Microsoft Office in front of you, and you guys will see that it will require a activation. So let's start the installation. So Office has been installed. Let's open the Excel or any Word document. Double clicking on it. Now you will have us accept license agreement, accept, close. So all is good. Let's check out the activation. So you can see that activation is required. Microsoft Office is not activated. Obviously, if you want to activate it, Microsoft Office, so you have to purchase Microsoft Office key from the official website of Microsoft. So you have to purchase the key. So Office is not free. So let's talk about the alternative. The best alternative I have found, which is a WPS Office. It is absolutely free for the personal use, and you can see that smart, faster, easier, free with seamless Office compatibility. So you can see that. So it is absolutely free for the personal use, and it is one of the best free alternative of Microsoft Office 365 or Professional 2024. So it is very easy to install. Just you have to go onto the wps.com and or you can type onto the Chrome browser, and just you have to click onto the download. Once you click onto the download, downloading will be started instantly. You can see that. And once it is downloaded, you have to just double click on it. You can see that downloading of MS Office has been started, and once it is downloaded, it will be installed instantly. So once it is installed, I will be back. So WPS Office has been installed successfully. You can see that. So uncheck this. Okay, thanks. You can see that it's going to be opened, and it is pretty much lightweight. And let's click onto the, let me give you a quick review. So they are also offering pro version as well, but you have to purchase pro version if you want to go for the pro versions. And for some advanced features, obviously you have to go for that, but you have to purchase for that. So you have to purchase. So free version is more than enough. Free version is more than enough for the personal use, and you will get all the functions like Microsoft Office. You will get all the function in WPS. Let me show you a sheet. Rest of the things you can do it by yourself. Let me give you a little introduction regarding that. You can sync your drive with the Google Drive. WPS is offering you a free 1 GB storage, and if you want to sync with the Google, so you can sync with the Google, means your file will be directly stored onto the Google. And if you want to connect with the Dropbox, then you can also open the files from your C drive, and you can also save on your local computer. Let me open the sheet, blank sheet. It is a desktop, and you can see that all the Excel functions are available here. You can see that smart tools, home, VLOOKUP formula. It also support formulas as well. You can see that formulas as well. So for personal use, it is absolutely free, but if you want to use for the commercial use, or if you want to, so you have to upgrade this to the pro license. So you have to pay the money. But for personal use, it is absolutely free, and it will give you all features like Microsoft Office 365. So it is the best alternative of Microsoft 365. I am personally using this, and it is absolutely a best alternative of Microsoft 365. So you can use that, and you can also save this file. Let me show you onto the local computer. Let's say I'm going to save it onto the desktop. Let me give the name, file extension XLX. Same file can be opened onto the Excel as well. ABCD. So you can see that file has been saved. Let me show you ABCD. So if you open this file, it will be open onto the Excel sheet. So it has been opened. You can see that. So it has been opened. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.